Hey guys, we're back with another video here. Today we're going to be reviewing the Autel Maxisys MS906BT. I actually haven't had it very long, so we're just going to get into it, open it up, I'll show you everything it comes with. Maybe I can help you decide if you want to get this tool or another tool, but so far I've been extremely impressed with it. I'm going to go ahead and get into it and see what it comes with. It comes in this big case, obviously. It's pretty large. You open it up immediately. Here's your tool right here. There you got your VCI there, Bluetooth VCI. All your adapters are up here. Accessories, literature, chargers, accessories, all that stuff is in there. So we'll go ahead and look at our adapters real quick. So like I said, it's a very high quality case, but we got all of our adapters here that I probably won't use for a good long while, honestly. But actually, I haven't had a need for any of them so far. But you got all these. You can see all the ones it comes with. Yep. Go ahead and set that. And here, there's not much to see in here. It's just charger, your manual, and it's got a charger for in a car, the little cigarette lighter adapter. We'll go ahead and get the tool out here. So far it seems like a very high quality tool. I didn't expect anything less from Autel, but I actually already have it booted on, but I think it takes like 15 to 20 seconds to boot up from being off. So right here, go ahead and fire it up. You can go straight to the diagnostics of it, or the yeah, I guess the diagnostics, but you can see you got some different things here you can go to. You got your shop manager. I'll go into that in a little bit more in depth here in a minute. Your service functions. Your I believe this is some kind of alignment rack that they have, maybe that you can function from here. I'm not sure, but you get your data manager, VCI manager, your support. You got the Maxifix. I really haven't used that much. Can't really comment on that, but you guys can see all the stuff it comes with. I want to get the inspection camera and the maxi scope that goes with it, but I have not yet. But you can see all this it has on here. Let me show you guys. You can go home. It's literally, it's literally a tablet. You can get on the internet, do it all you want like that. It's pretty cool. And when you first get it, now mind you, I'm not connected to the internet right now, but when you first get it, you got to connect it to the internet and register it, and you can go to your updates here. It's not gonna pull up obviously because I'm not connected to the internet, but you want to go pull it up and go do all your updates, update all the models that you're going to be working on. You can always go back and update more if you end up needing more, but only do the ones that you're going to need, because otherwise it'll just slow the tablet down. So I did like GM, Ford, Nissan, Volkswagen, all the different things I normally work on. So we go here to diagnostics. You can see you can choose all the different ones. These are not the ones I downloaded. These are just the ones that are on here. Normally, if I had a connection to internet, there would be a little green arrow next to the ones that I have not downloaded yet. But like I said, I have like I have the GM, Ford, Toyota, Dodge, Chrysler, all those different ones that I normally work on. And we'll go back to here. And there's not too much else to show before we get into actually plugging it into a vehicle. But you can go to vehicle history. Right here, everything you've ever done with it. Like I said, I haven't had it very long, but you can look at all these things you've done to it. You can open it up and go look at all the stuff you've done. Customer manager, which is pretty cool. Go ahead and pull out the VCI. I'll show you it. Here we are. Pretty small, which is good, I suppose. And you can see it's fairly small compared to the tablet itself. So we'll go ahead and go outside to a 2011 Chevy Cruze and hook it up, and I'll show you guys some of the stuff it can do. All right, here we are, the 2011 Cruze. We're gonna go ahead and take our VCI, plug it up in the diagnostic OBD2 port. Plug it up there. Go ahead and open our diagnostics on our tool. Turn the key, turn the ignition on. Good diagnostics. We're gonna select GM. We're gonna go to accept right there, standalone diagnostic. Just making connection to it right now. Now we're connected. We're gonna go to automatic selection. It's going to automatically read the VIN. Normally those are pretty quick. Yeah, like that. Okay. I'm going to shut the door so I don't have to listen to the chime of the entire video. Alright, that's our car right there. We have the 1.4 turbo. Face mounted connectors. It's just pulling up all the modules right now. I'm going to go to Diagnostics, Auto Scan, and it's just going to go through and read all the modules and get all the codes from it. Right now we have 11 fault codes on the engine control module, which I already knew that. I've already looked at this car once. I've already got parts on the way for it. This right here is probably what takes the longest. Although it does take long, with all the information it's processing, you can see it's going through each module extremely fast. So this is the longest process of it, but it still goes through it very fast. Especially compared to how long it takes my little $200 scanner just to pull up global OBD codes. So we can go through any of these. We're going to go ahead and go to the engine control module. You can hit this arrow here. We get an automatic. Now we can go to trouble codes, live data, ECU information, active test, special functions. We're going to go ahead and go to trouble codes first. And I'll make more in-depth videos later about everything on this tool, eventually video by video, but for now we're just going to go ahead and look at some of this stuff right here. So we got all our codes here. You can see that. Like I said, I've already checked this video out, so I'm not going to go in depth on each code, but you can see that here. You can actually go to the freeze frame data for the codes and all that here. You can go to the clear DTC, but we're going to just go back. Actually, we're going to hit escape. Escape again. We're going to go to active test. See here, we can do all this. We can actuate all these kind of sensors. The compression test will disable each cylinder and crank it over for you. It's very handy there. I mean, you can see, you can do all this kind of stuff to it. I mean, this is just for the ECU module, and you can do all that stuff to it. I'll go in more in depth than that in later videos, but we're going to go ahead and go to the BCM and go straight to active tests on it. We go to active test. Just so you guys, just trying to show you guys some of the stuff that we can do here with this tool. So we can take and actuate the windshield washer motor even, because it is a full bidirectional tool. So I'm just trying to show you guys some of the stuff that means it can do. So you can go to activate, active or inactive. We're going to go ahead and hit active. You can see it does that. Turn it off. Now we can actually go back and do the windshield wipers. Put it at high. Go stop. One thing though, it doesn't actually park them. You have to park them yourself. Let me see. Oh, maybe that's running. Apparently I do not know how to use windshield wipers. As I thought I did. Oh well. We're going to go ahead and go back maybe now we can do this. Yep, there we go. All right, now we can do it. All right, so we're gonna go back here. Make sure we go back to exit test. We're gonna do the windows, driver, window motor, continue. We're gonna go up, you can see it goes up. We can go back down. So, and this is, I mean, for you guys that know scan tools, you're gonna be saying, duh, it can do that. It's a full function scan tool. But I'm just showing some of you guys that are maybe looking into it, looking to get in your first pro level, professional level scan tool. Showing you guys some of the stuff you can do. You can go, I mean, for your engine control module, I've already fixed a evap solenoid, or replaced it. I was able to test it and listen for it. It wasn't doing a thing, so I replaced it, and it fixed the problem. But you can do all this testing with it, and special service functions. We're going to go ahead and go back here, service right here on it. We got to clear this up first, actually, so let's go back from this. We're going to go to hot functions real quick, actually. So we can go to hot functions here. We're there. You can do all these different things on it. We can do the injector power balance test. We can do the airbag reset. We can do the throttle body relearn, the steering, tire change, all that stuff. It's extremely helpful. Many different things you can do on it. And we're going to go ahead and go back again. Yes. And that actually is alerting you to unplug the VCI so you don't forget and leave it in the vehicle. We're going to go like here. This is the service. The different service functions you can do. You can actually program keys, new keys and key fobs for vehicles. That's a very good function. But yeah, that's going to about wrap it up for this video. I'll be making more videos, more in depth on each different things you can do with this tool. You guys will put some requests in the comments of what you want me to do next. Maybe some of you guys that are watching trying to decide if you want this tool or not. Just let me know what you want me to make a video about next. But thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.